I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to capture a long screenshot on an Android phone or tablet. Have you ever come across content on your Android phone or tablet that scrolls for days, like a lengthy article or an engaging chat conversation, and wished you could capture it all in one go? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'll show you how to capture a long screenshot on your Android phone or tablet. This cool feature lets you grab more than just what's visible on your screen, making it perfect for saving or sharing long lists, extensive web pages, or even keeping a record of your digital discussions. Now let's walk through the steps to capture a long screenshot on an Android phone or tablet. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and then navigate to the web page you want to take a long screenshot on. Step 2. Press the power and volume down buttons at the same time to capture a normal screenshot. You'll see the screenshot icon at the bottom of your screen. Step 3. Tap Capture More next to your screenshot icon. A screen pops up where you'll see handles displayed around the part of your screen that was captured in the normal screenshot. Step 4. Hold your finger against the bottom handle and then pull it down to highlight the remaining part of the screen that you want to include in a long screenshot. In this example, I'll pull the handle all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Tap Save when you're done. Your long screenshot will be saved to your device. You can find your long screenshot by opening the Photos app, navigating to the Photos on Device section, and then tapping Screenshots. Find your full page screenshot in this menu and then tap to open it. From here, you can view, edit, or share your screenshot. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.